peace and blessings all around. We pray to thank Allah above for His mercy and His love, for the food and for the light, for the day and for the night.
When we pray, our hearts feel calm, like a quiet, peaceful palm. We remember what is right and keep our actions good and bright. Salah helps us every day to be kind in what we say, to help others, to share and care, and always keep Allah in prayer.
So we pray with happy hearts, morning, noon, when evening starts. 5 times daily we obey, that's why Muslims love to pray.